I'm just checking since the oil cooler change, the amount of oil, if any, is beneath here. Normally you'll have a wee drip of oil coming from here, which is dry, a wee drip from here, which should be dry. So I'll take my shield off, have a wee look, but looking so far, all looks actually okay. Breaker bar just to crack them. Pretty tight. I can't believe how tight they are. Okay. Fuck me. That just doesn't suit me. Right, that socket. That's not good. That's not good. There's the poo bags away. That's no good. That's fucked up. So I think whoever's put these bolts on has hammered them on. The socket's slipping out. Oh Jesus. Right, that's slipping off there. That's not good. I need to hammer a 14mm socket on that. Right, 14mm. Trying to get a real purchase on that because it's at the wrong angle. There you fucking go. There you go. Well, that's not going back on there, that's for sure. a wee look here. I'm not going to bother taking that other one off. Let's see. So there is a tiny wee bit of oil just up there. It's like a drip, but before that was leaking everywhere. So it's actually quite good, although the last time we had oil all over here, all over that beam there, so it's pretty dry. Funny camera angle, but there you go. Another thing I'm interested in is the, let's see if we can see that, is the turbo drain pipe, which is this pipe here. I've got two fans holding the light, one holding the camera, and if you follow that pipe up there, it goes to the left hand auxiliary turbo. It looks fairly dry. And on the right side, let's look at my camera back here. Okay, on the right side you will see the two studs for the turbo drain pipe, and I don't see any oil at all coming from that. And if you look there, you'll see the turbo actuator. It's a pity I don't have a fixed light here, but there you go, so I'm moving it about. Okay, so generally all okay. So as looks all fine. I was going to do an oil change, but I'll just need to check my dates. So, but there you go. I'm quite happy with that. It's the last time it was flooding under here. Good grief, flooding. And I also wanted to just check. Let's go around the other side. Is the oil drain plug. Why they have never put it on the bottom, I have no idea. Maybe something to do with clearances off road or something, I don't know. See, there's a bit of oil up there, but I'm okay with that. So this time with the oil change, I'm going to soak it all out, and I'm also going to remove this oil drain plug. I do have a new one there. I'll see how much more oil actually comes out the drain plug after we have sucked the oil out, which is for another day. Okay, I'll try and go and fix that bolt. So that's us done doing the wee oil inspection. I've left that nut out there. I'll need to go online to see if I can get any of these nuts, because they're quite special with a lip on it, so they have, it locks it into position. This is the old nut, pretty chewed up. I've not had that off since I've had the oil cooler replaced by a local garage, which tells me they've battered them on me an impact gun. There you go, that's us. Till the next time.